Guy Fawkes.
Hello Guy Fawkes, I want to know how to draw a flower.
A flower? I'd be delighted to teach you that. Let's start with a circle. That's the middle of our flower. Then let's draw a series of loops all the way around that circle. Those are the petals. Then, 2 lines coming down from the petals for a stem. And some curvy lines connecting together for the leaves. I'm adding 2 leaves, but if your stem is long or leafy, you can add a lot more. Finally, let's draw a vase. First, a line from left to right, then 2 lines coming down and in towards the middle. Then 2 curvy lines going down and out, and a line on the bottom. There's a flower in a vase. And how about another flower? This one will be a tulip, so I'll start with a great big U shape. Next, I'll connect the top of the U with some V shapes to make the petals. Then 2 lines coming down for the stem. And then let's add leaves. Mine are curvy with a point at the end. But leaves come in all shapes, so feel free to experiment. Finally, a wiggly line for the soil. This tulip is still growing. And so is my drawing. Flower number 3, coming right up. This one is a carnation, and it's lots of fun to draw. We'll start with a C shape. Then add a backward C shape. Then let's work our way around in a circle with the C shape at different angles. It won't look like much at first, but as you keep going, your flower will take shape. Watch. You can give your carnation as many petals as you want. And when you're ready, you can finish the flower by drawing lots of half loops around the edges, just like this. Next, draw your stem, 2 lines coming down, and some leaves. And then add some soil or a vase for your beautiful flower. Your garden is looking really good. Happy drawing!